Hey everyone, so recently we have released a new functionality which is while approving the document, you can check that what was the previous price of the document and just a price summary over there. So let me how you can see that and how it will be helpful to you. So let us go to all modules, click on sales and purchase. So this is one of the invoice which have came to me for approval from where I can see that. Click on all modules, go to approval module. Now here in approval module, please check I will be able to see this particular invoice to approve or reject. I will click on this invoice and then this page will open. Now going below, please check here just next to the save, edit and say approve and save. There's an option of price history. Once I click on this, please check. This will show you what was the last price, what was the last price on the last buyer, and then after the what was the last price offered and the current price, and it will show you that is it upgraded or downgraded of which item accordingly. I hope this particular functionality will help you in going ahead and checking the multiple prices while approving the document. Have a good day ahead.